Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Hacoo. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Hacoo app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.